UVSQ-SAT is now at horizon as per the Argentinian AMSAT website. You can see that the display has become white for the Doppler signals and the elevation is seen in green and the azimuth pointer needle is yellow. Now the azimuth is at 179 degrees, elevation is 2 degrees. Today morning there was a pass which I tried but I could not hear anything. But my friend VU2 Tango Echo Kilo from Trivandrum could hear a station partially, but calling back there was no reply. It was only a partial copy. Still, that gives us hope that this satellite is accessible. The height is quite low, 369 km altitude. That means it is below the orbit of International Space Station. And the distance currently is 1700 km far away. This is a CubeSat. It will not have a very strong signal for me to pick up at 1600 km now. I am also watching the Doppler now. 145.901 is the frequency displayed and I have set my frequency as 145.900 nearest, and downlink is 437.030. I have set it the same thing, and the CW beacon also comes on the same frequency. No tone is required for access to this satellite. I have set a tone, but if no tone is required, setting a tone is not harmful. Now the satellite is at 10 degree elevation, azimuth is 186 degrees. Actually I have not pointed the antenna southwards, I have pointed it to west. That is almost the time for maximum elevation. This pass is having 43 degree maximum elevation in my region. I think I am getting some signals. In between the hissing noise came down a little bit. So this time, being a pass with higher elevation, I am a little more likely to get something. But only problem is that it's almost 10:20 PM. Not sure whether other operators are there. Usually I don't work at this time, but today, this being a rare bird, we call satellites as birds. Amateur satellite operators often call satellites as birds, which fly away from us very fast. And this is a rare bird because activation is quite rare. Now it has been activated for 48 hours. Now I think I'll have to change the Doppler a bit. I'll go down by one step and V2 Tango Echo Kilo, V2 Juliet Oscar 5 and 9. Congratulations, thank you very much. So that's a piece of luck. I have been able to catch the rare bird. I'll continue listening to see if I can get any more contacts. But for that, there should be somebody else also on frequency. I have to tune the Doppler on the downlink a little bit. Satellite is now at time of closest approach, 45 degrees. keeping awake a little bit. I heard him once again, V2 Tango Echo Kilo. Now the satellite is at 700 kilometer. I would have made the contact when the satellite is quite near, maybe some 400 kilometer. That was before the time of closest approach, but it could have been the time of closest approach at Trivandrum for we to TK when we contacted each other. Now I think I'll stop because I am unlikely to get any more stations. Nobody may be active, and my station is not that powerful. This antenna is not that powerful to get stations at low elevation from a CubeSat.